This is the first of our harbour series, and this is entering Amble Harbour. First off, you need to avoid Coquet Island, and also do not try to squeeze through the gap. Go around the island, giving it a good off-in before you make your entry into the harbour itself. So here we are with the Navionics, and you can see heading way out away from Coquet Island, giving Panbush a good off-in as well. That's an area of shallows before we come through the harbour entrance. Aiming for the marina, you need to look out for the red can buoy just there, and go between the red can buoy and the wooden pilings, and that will bring you across the sill into the marina. So we run in live through the entrance. Now, one thing you must be aware of is off your starboard side, the entrance shallows and the run through the harbour, it is very shallow on your starboard side, so always keep towards port, keep towards the harbour wall, just allowing for traffic and keeping a good lookout for traffic or any movements with the fishing boats before you make your way up to the marina. There is a speed limit in the harbour, and I've obviously speeded this up. You should keep below 6 knots running through the harbour. The marina is quite easy to spot. Look for the apartment buildings, and the turning is just beyond the R&Li station. Do not try to cut between the red can buoy and the port side wall. That shallows. You will see on the end of the pilings a marker board showing the depth over the sill. So, enjoy your journey to Amble. I hope this helps. Please do like, share and subscribe to see more motor cruising on Ava Grace.